Today I'm taking a look at the SK8P 72 tooth metric reversible ratcheting wrench set. So it actually comes with a holder, and we got a little clip on here, so if you're going to be carrying this out to the work site, you don't have to worry about any of your tools falling out. For me, and I think for most people, you're just going to be putting in your toolbox like this, so you're going to have all your tools lined up, and be able to easily access them. It is nice that they got a handle on there though too, so if you do want to carry that out to your work site, you'll be able to do that. But this is the meat of the set. Interesting, they actually got them all individually wrapped. So here's our 17mm, and that's probably my most used size. This is essentially a combination wrench, but it is also a ratcheting wrench. You can also see that that is offset, so if we're going to be tightening or loosening things, we don't have to worry about raking our knuckles. And that is reversible, which is very important if you're going to be having an offset wrench like that. Most of the time for ratcheting wrenches, this bar is completely straight, and then you just have to flip it back and forth. It is stamped 17mm, and it says that is chrome vanadium. And it looks like we have about a 0.18mm tolerance on there. Well, that's interesting. So this guy actually goes all the way down to an 8mm. Nice tiny size. Most of the time these combination wrenches only go down to about a 10, so having an 8 can really come in handy. Okay, so it looks like we got 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, and 19. So we're skipping 9, 11, 16, and 18. Well, finding nuts and bolts with that size is pretty rare anyway. So aside from that, we got everything from an 8 up to a 19. So I do appreciate this is a fairly loose fit. That way, whenever I'm going to grab a tool, I don't have to like force it out. I don't have to fight it to get the tool out. I do have some of these tool holders that you do have to fight it, and I don't even like using those wrenches. So this is much better holder style in my opinion. And this is kind of interesting. It looks like it actually does have an option to lock those wrenches in there. So if you are going to be carrying these things out to a work site, you don't have to worry about them falling out. So that's cool. So you actually have both options. You can have them kind of loose or you can have them kind of tight. Either way, they're going to stay organized.
That is much nicer than using a regular old combination wrench and having to take that thing off and then turn it every time. So those are some very nice wrenches. I'm happy with that.